Hello everyone, welcome to English Shorthand classes. Exercise 33. Get ready for the dictation. Start. Sir, even though I do not agree with the mover of this resolution, I would like to thank you for giving me this opportunity and the House to discuss fully our failure in agricultural front, which according to him has resulted in creating more unemployment and rise in prices. Stop. A proposal has been moved to amend this resolution, according to which it has been stated that those who are unemployed should be given some allowance. Stop. At the same time, essential items such as food, clothing and shelter should be made available at reasonable prices to those who belong to fixed income groups. Stop. While moving the resolution, the Honourable Member has taken the stock in detail, quoting all possible figures, and naturally most of them are from government records. Stop. So, I do not want to challenge the figures. Stop. While I was listening to his speech, I felt as though, I was going through our own document that we produced and presented to the House after the midterm appraisal of the fourth plan. Stop. The Planning Commission and the government have very fairly accepted in the House that the fourth plan envisaged a target of about 8 to 10% of industrial growth. Stop. However, it was not possible and the industrial growth was between 5 to 6% for some years. Stop. Thereafter, we have seen that there was further stagnation, but I am happy to say today that during the past few months, as per our information, there is a new activity, and I am sure that with the several measures that are already undertaken by the government and by the Ministry of Industrial Development, it will be possible for us to again bring proper speed and proper peace so far as industrial growth is concerned. Stop. Sir, when I was listening to his speech, I felt that he has not done due justice to our agricultural progress and particularly to the agriculturists in our country. Stop. To say that we have not made any progress whatsoever is challenging the very reality which exists in our country. Stop. We have made good progress in producing cereals, but cash crops have not shown any improvement. Stop.